Hey there, today we're going to talk about how to prepare for your mortgage in 2016. Hi there, this is Misty from the Misty SOLDwisch home selling team at RE/MAX Innovations, and welcome again to my video blog. Today we are joined by Patrick St. John from the University of Iowa Community Credit Union. Welcome, Patrick.
Thank you.
So as we launch into 2016, a lot of our clients are thinking about what kind of home they want for the new year, and most of our clients, when they do that, need to have a mortgage. So what do you suggest are some of the key points to prepare when wanting a mortgage?
Sure. I think the first thing is just figuring out who to talk to and when to talk to someone such as myself. And I think you hit the nail right on the head, which is as soon as you're thinking about buying, let's talk. Let's have a conversation. There's no obligation to talk, obviously. And that can be something over the phone, via email, hop on my website, fill out an application that way. There's a lot of different ways for us to communicate in today's day and age with different communication devices out there.
Right. So when you're going through the mortgage process, there's been a lot of changes at the end of 2015 that people might have heard a little bit about, but might not know exactly what that means. One question I have a lot is, do I need to plan on the mortgage process taking a lot longer with these changes?
Sure, yeah. And the changes you're talking about have to do with the different regulations that have changed in the industry. And with those changes, there are some added time requirements. Has that changed? Absolutely. But significantly? No. Um, typically 30 to 60 days, kind of that time frame that it would take from when you put an offer together before you could actually close and move in. Now we're asking 45 days instead of 30, just to allow for some of those additional regulations that have come into play.
Okay.
But month and a half, 2 months is about
Should be plenty of time.
right, which again isn't much of a change from how it's always been.
Right. Another thing that people ask us a lot about is, how much money do I need to save up in order to get a mortgage? What kind of options do you see out there?
And that's one of my favorite questions to answer because zero. You need to save zero. I mean, should you save more than zero? Absolutely, sure. You want to have some cushion in your checking savings, but what's really nice is you don't have to use all of the savings toward a down payment. We have
Right.
programs where you can put zero money down and get a very attractive mortgage option. To get some of your traditional financing programs, 5% down, which I think is a common misconception or misperception out there, is that you need 20% down,
Right.
which simply is not the case anymore. 5% down can get you pretty much any mortgage product that's out there.
Well, and that opens the door to a lot of people, because a lot of people have great jobs, great cash flow, but they just don't have a large down payment to work with.
Absolutely.
So you're saying that the time to start strategizing for your mortgage, if you're thinking about buying in 2016, is now.
Now, yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So if you have questions about what kind of mortgage products might be a great fit for you, contact Patrick St. John at the information below. And if you are curious about what kind of homes are available right now, click on my free MLS search link. If you have a home that you're wanting to sell and curious about what the value of your home is in today's market, click on our free home value report. Thank you so much, Patrick.
Thank you, Misty.